Hey guys, it's Pug MSP and I'm here with my little sister,
Lena.
Yeah, so we're on her account, which is Lena2745. Spin the wheel, Lena.
How?
You just click. So she's never really played Movie Star Planet that much because I made this account for her when she was little. But yeah. Okay. You got 20 star coins. Ooh, do you like that? Do you like that outfit? You like
Yes.
the boonie?
I like the boonie.
The boonie looks nothing. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's answer some of your guys' messages. So, hey, it's David OMG. So you gave him an auto, so he says thanks. What do you want to say?
You're welcome.
And then Eleni says, "Are you?"
What did you say?
She asks if you're 5 or 6.
What number am I?
6.
6.
Lena2745. Oh, that's you. So no problem.
That's my puppy pup.
Yeah, that's her backup, Lena2745 backup. So your creating rate got 10. Your status update got 1.
Yes.
Oh, your friend's online.
What?
Yeah, Night XX Night XX. Do you want to give her an autograph?
Yeah. I gave her a puppy.
No, we gave her an autograph.
Meow.
Yeah. So let's make. You know what? There's nothing to do on your account. Do you want to go on mine? Do you want to go on mine and make the outfit?
I want to change clothes.
Yeah, you can change clothes on this, and then we'll go onto my account.
Okay.
Lena doesn't really know how to play Movie Star Planet that well, so I sort of have to play it with her. But anywho, don't flag me, guys, for this. So pick a hair.
Same.
That one. Okay.
There's only
Pick a shirt.
I want this. This.
She wants the starter shirt. Oh my gosh. What pants? The hideous skirt. Okay. Alrighty. And then those are your only shoes. Do you want an accessory, yes or no?
Yes. Puppy.
Those are cat ears.
Come on, potato puppy.
No.
Okay.
Okay, let's go onto my account, which is VIP. Are you excited to be on a VIP account for the first time?
Maybe.
You're tired? Come on, Lena, wake up. Lena. Okay. Anywho, don't elbow me. That's mean. Yeah. Okay, let's log in, Lena. So, my account, backspace, Pug123172.
I see you.
I'm gonna have to change my password now, Lena.
Why?
Because it's too short and it just got exposed. JK, y'all can't see it, I already know, so don't even try hacking me, boo. Okay, welcome to my account. Should you help me do my opening stuff?
Yeah.
So, let's messages. Load you game, okay. What's her name?
Exodus.
Exodus. Ugh. Okay. Someone gave you a gift. Are we going to open it in a minute?
Nope.
3 people gave you a gift.
I'm doing wait till I get more.
What are you going to say to her? She gave you a gift.
Thank you. I love you, Bob.
I love you. What else other than thank you, I love you?
It's just that.
Oh, okay. Okay, this person gave you a gift too. What do you want to say?
I'll say thank you. I love your hair.
That's Noah's Snow Queen hair. How do you think it feels to be a mom?
I'm a mom.
No, I am.
It feels great.
It feels great. It's also hard. Let's say recording. Recording. Okay. So, hi, it's Moon's. Oh, we don't really need to reply to her. So, I told her I was hating Exodus, and she said, awesome, you say XD.
How many questions do we have?
3, I think.
I want to change your clothes.
You will.
Right now.
Not right now.
Why?
Because I said so. Mail. Time. Winner will receive VIP. So she gave you a gift.
I'm going to say thank you, you're the best.
Okay. Thank you. You're the best. Okay. Let's open up the gifts. I think there's only 3 right now.
I did too.
What's my YouTube channel?
I don't know.
It's Pug MSP. Okay, let's react to the gifts.
Where's my rule?
Oh, you have 4 gifts.
Okay.
This first one's from Jazzy Golden Star, so shout out to her. It is Deepak Mailtime too, guys, so. Ugh, it's so laggy. Sorry, I was reading someone's status. Maddie, she gave you Elsa hair. She just randomly flopped all over the place. What do you say?
Thank you. Floppy, floppy.
Do you like it?
Yeah, thank you, floppy, floppy, flop.
No, her username is Jazzy Golden Star.
Yeah.
Can you say that? Jazzy Golden Star?
Jazzy Golden Star.
Okay, she's in a mood. These next 2 are from Blaring Whispers. These next 2 are from Blaring Whispers.
Okay.
Please stop.
Click it.
I did click it. It's not opening.
I said click it.
What is it?
Hurry up, Capino.
What did she send? Can you say Blaring Whispers thank you?
Blaring Whispers thank you.
Maddie, it's a rare. It's called Candy Floss Hair.
Floppy, floppy, flop.
Yes.
I love P-Flodge.
Ooh, this next one's also from her. I wonder what it is. I asked some people to give. She gave us part of our wish list. It's called Layering Peace. What do you say to Blaring Whispers?
Thank you, Barry, thank you, flop.
Okay, this one's next from Starlight Moon ! And I'm really nervous. Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's a Goldie.
Oh my god, she sent him as Goldie. Oh my god! Thank you. Oh my god! Thank you so much.
And
Thank you
it's
so
my
much.
favorite color, black.
Yeah, it's a black Miss Goldie. Thank you so much, Starlight Moon. Oh my goodness. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye. Also, comment if you want to see more of her on my channel.